This wireless DMX512 kit gives you one transmitter and 7 receivers. So a single console can manage a full rig of stage or disco lights without a tangle of control cables. In real use, the signal feels rock solid with essentially no noticeable delay, so chases and fades stay tightly in sync with the music and other show cues. The system uses the 2.4 GHz band with efficient modulation and automatic channel hopping, which helps maintain a stable link even in venues crowded with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth traffic. Its quoted transmission range of about 1,600 feet is more than enough for most clubs, churches, and small outdoor stages, and it gives you a lot of flexibility in fixture placement. The metal housings and weather-tolerant design inspire confidence for mobile DJs and rental work, and the multicolor indicator lights make it easy to confirm link status at a glance. Setup is refreshingly straightforward because the units arrive pre-paired with multiple selectable ID groups, so you can plug them in and quickly build separate wireless universes without interference.